Hey guys, how's it going? I got the Greenworks Pro 2700 PSI electric pressure washer, and as of yesterday, if you went and looked on YouTube for videos of this, you probably didn't find but maybe one or two. So it wasn't a whole lot of information as far as videos out there. The website does a great job at explaining what it is. There's a lot of questions on Lowe's.com asking, will it do this, will it do that? It's in the specs, guys. So if you want to know the answers, read the specs. What is it? It's 2700 PSI. Now, if you don't get confused, if you look somewhere on their specs and you see 2.3 gallons per minute, it will do 2.3 gallons per minute, but at 100 PSI. So that's with no nozzle or with one of the soap nozzles. Okay, when you're up to 2700 PSI, you're at 1.2 gallons per minute. So, no, that is not going to give you gas-like performance. If you're looking for gas-like performance, this is not for you. Get gas. However, if you want some serious cleaning power out of an electric pressure washer, and you're willing to spend a little bit more than the, well, actually a lot more than the $79 or $119 that you can get for some of these other ones that are 1600 PSI, this sucker will do the job for you. If you were underwhelmed by those, as I was, get this. If you want electric and you want performance, get it. I'll just save you some time right there. Now, I'm going to show you real quick. This is an area I cleaned. Part of this was done with a gas pressure washer at 3000 PSI and 2.3 gallons per minute using a surface cleaner. Another section was done with this Greenworks 2700 PSI electric using the same surface cleaner designed for gas pressure washers. Now, that right there is a stain, so if you're looking at that, no, that's not the difference. Can you see it? Probably not, but I'll tell you where it's at. Right here on this one little strip that's going straight from where my foot's at, right there. That was done with the 2700 electric. I went over this area, this whole area right here, with the 2700 PSI Greenworks. Then I went back over it with the 3000 PSI gas, same surface cleaner. The only thing I didn't do with the gas was that one strip right there. Right there. If I get down close to the nitty-gritty and look, you might not be able to tell on camera. I can see it in person. There's just a little bit more dingy in that area. Over here, back over here with the gas, I'll just pan back and forth, see if you can spot any difference. Okay, so if you can or can't tell, whatever the case is, I will tell you the one difference that you're going to find is that this took a bit more time to clean than the 3000 PSI gas. That's because you're getting actually 2.3 gallons per minute from the gas one that I have, and you're getting another 300 PSI. Alright, so we're going to get this thing turned on. So let me tell you, before we get going, this pump and pressure washer together, the system is designed differently than most of the electric pressure washers out there. Typically with the electric pressure washers that are out there, you pull the trigger for the wand, you hear the motor pump kick on, and you get your pressure builds up, and then you release the wand, and it stops, the water stops, and the pump stops. Okay, you hear nothing. This one, it continuously runs. That's the way it's designed. So if you get this, expect that you're going to constantly hear the noise until you power it back off. Okay, so here we go. I've already primed it and all that. I'm not here to teach you guys how to operate a pressure washer. I'm no pro at it. I just have the dang thing, okay? Here we go. One button on. There it is. It's clean. Well, that's a dirty spot, and all back here's been clean. It's just well, you got this little section right here, so I'm gonna just give you what I got, okay? Alright, so here we are. We got the turbo nozzle on here. Now I got the pressure washer in the garage. You guys can, it's a pressure washer. It makes noise, and you know that might have been one of the errors with the audio earlier. So right now, look at that. I put it in the garage. It's in the garage. So here we are. I'm gonna pull this trigger. First thing you're gonna notice, as soon as I pull this trigger, instant pressure. There's no building up. It just kicks. It doesn't kick like a gas because it ain't gas. But look at that. Alright, it's right there. Other pressure washers, they typically, you know, the electric ones, they gotta build up a little bit. But okay, here we go. Just let's see what this turbo nozzle can do. Look at that. A little slower. Back over it. Alright. Now, just wash some of that away. You can see some lines in some areas where it wasn't quite even. But you can see also that it does really just take it up. So let's see how that compares to a surface cleaner designed for gas pressure washers going at typically 2.3 gallons a minute or higher. Alright, there it is, guys. Now, if you're anything like me, I know what you're thinking. He's got a Greenworks brand pressure washer and a Ryobi surface cleaner. Man, that's clashing. That's like wearing some Nikes and an Adidas shirt. Well, you know, this is what I got. I ain't trying to spend a whole bunch of money on another one. So, let me just show you what it does. This is designed for gasoline pressure washers. Again, they spit out more water gallons per minute, like 2.3 versus the electric at 1.2. So let's just see what it does anyways. Can it run it? Can it do it? Oh my. It's just, is it cleaning? Oh, it's cleaning. It is cleaning. Let's just pick up and go to another area just for the heck of it. Let's see what it does. Oh yeah. So let's see where we. Yeah, that gotta be good for it, right? Lift it up. Anyways, so this isn't quite uniform. This is more uniform. I think over here might have went a little bit slower, and that area is a heck of a lot cleaner than where I didn't go. So the question, will the Greenworks Pro 2700 PSI run a surface cleaner designed for gas? Yeah, it will. Does it clean? Yeah. Is it as fast as a gas powered pressure washer? No, but it's not gas. Alright, check it out. This is that area we cleaned, all dried up now. Look at that. Obviously where we didn't clean. Missed a spot. But yeah. I don't know what else you want from an electric pressure washer. Maybe a low price, maybe you don't want to spend that much, but you want the performance out of an electric one, you gotta spend that much. Maybe you don't care about the surface cleaner. Maybe you like going around with a wand. Maybe you don't care about your driveway. Maybe you ain't got a driveway. Maybe you got a driveway made out of gravel. Maybe you just want to know, will it clean a 2-story house? I don't know. I don't have a 2-story house. Tell you what I do have. I got a house with a peak on it. Peak right there. To the inside is 13 foot high. Let's just see. No, I'm not putting soap on there. Not doing that. You don't care. You want to see, can it reach? It can reach. That's soaking wet. Now, are you gonna get pressure on there? No. You're not gonna clean it with pressure. You're gonna get your soap up there and you're gonna rinse your soap off. Yep. Now maybe you're like, yeah, I'm not trying to wash with power. I'm trying to get my soap up there and rinse my soap off. So, I didn't have the soap nozzle on there before. Now I got the soap nozzle. It's the soap nozzle that comes with the unit. Let's see what it does. Peak right there, 13 foot high. Can I go over the peak? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe you can't tell. It's gotta be at least between 6 to 8 foot above the peak. So if you're trying to spray up 20 foot, I say yeah, you can spray up 20 foot. So keep in mind that when I did that, I was pointing almost straight up. If you back up a little bit, go more of an angle, it's not gonna quite reach 20 foot. It's gonna be close, but not quite. Now they do sell the 2nd story nozzles, so that might work for you. Give it a shot. Do y'all want to see the Greenworks Pro 2700 PSI electric pressure washer run a foam cannon? So do I. So I gotta go buy one. I ain't got one. If you want to see a foam cannon, go up to that little search bar and type in foam cannon. You're gonna find a video. You're gonna find a bunch of videos. A lot of them are ran off electric pressure washers, 1600 PSI, 2000 PSI, and whatnot. Sure, the 2700 PSI will run it. Y'all thought you was gonna see a foam cannon in this video. Maybe you're sitting over there and you just can't help wonder, will I get that nasty crap out my garbage can? Let's see. I got nasty crap right there. Let's step back. I missed it. It ain't getting out whatever the hell that is. Well, it got some of the nasty crap off, but there's some nastier crap. That might be glue. That's nasty. It ain't coming off. You're wondering, did he even hit that nasty crap? The nastier crap. Well, I was hitting the nasty crap. It ain't coming off. So really, that might have been some glue or something. But it did pretty good. at the rest. If you're wondering, would the 0-degree nozzle etch through the concrete? I don't think so. Let's find out. Nope. Nope. Got it wet. So, is the Greenworks Pro 2700 PSI electric pressure washer spitting out a whopping 1.2 gallons per minute. Worth it? Is it worth the extra money? Yeah. It depends on your budget. It can be. Might not be. But if you need that much more power and you have that much more money, then it's a good option. If you don't need that much more power, then why spend that much more? If you don't mind waiting a second for the pressure to build up, if you don't need that extra 1000 psi or 1100 psi, then don't waste the money. You just want to get your driveway clean, and you want to wash your house, and you don't want to screw around with gas and oil and all the stuff that comes, oh, and the noise, this is definitely quieter than the gas. You don't want to mess with all that. That'll do it.